Hi everyone, how are you today? Checking in about what's happening next week. So we're wrapping up female sexual anatomy and physiology. Hopefully you learned a bit about the human body and you had an interesting view of the film. Hope you liked it. Classic Eve Ensler, feminist activist. And if you had a chance to see a live show, more even more the better. I don't know if anybody did go to Sonoma State or any of the schools that are doing the play, but it's a great play. So if you transfer to another school and they're doing it next Valentine's, go watch it or be in it. It's really a fun experience. So next week, male sexual anatomy, gonna learn about male-bodied folks and kind of all the reproductive stuff inside of that type of body from a biological perspective, which is, of course, technical and important to know. But we're also going to have a little fun. You're going to watch the film Private Dicks, which is just somewhat comical, but also kind of an interesting conversation of men talking about their bodies and kind of candidly. So hopefully that'll be an interesting film for you to watch. So that's what we're doing, and I'm hoping that everybody's well and that everything's going okay for you. So check in with me if you need anything, and I look forward to seeing your posts. Take care.